Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can enable dark theme on Skype. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be on Skype, and when you're gonna be here, you wanna go to settings on left top corner and settings, and right here you're gonna see appearance, and you just wanna simply click dark. So this is how you can simply do it, and this is how you can enable dark mode on Skype. So yeah, thank you very much. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And if you have any questions, ask me down in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video and if this video was helpful, you can support and subscribe. I'll be really thankful for it. So thank you very much. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down. And yeah, goodbye.